Drink clove water at night and see what happens. 10 surprising health benefits. As night falls, your body shifts into repairing mode, working tirelessly to heal and restore itself. But what if a simple drink, clove water, could enhance this process? This tiny spice, often sitting unnoticed in your kitchen, is packed with powerful compounds like eugenol, vitamin C, flavonoids, and essential minerals that work behind the scenes to improve digestion, boost immunity, regulate blood sugar, and even support better sleep. So, if you're looking for a natural way to detox, heal, and restore your body while you sleep, keep watching. You might be surprised by the science-backed benefits of drinking clove water at night. Let's dive in.
1. Improves digestion and prevents bloating. If you often experience bloating, indigestion, or an upset stomach, clove water at night might be your new best friend. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a compound that boosts digestive enzyme production and helps break down food more efficiently. Research shows that eugenol increases digestive enzyme activity by up to 30%, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Cloves also have strong antibacterial properties, which help balance gut bacteria and reduce bloating caused by harmful microbes. Studies indicate that clove extracts can kill E. coli and H. pylori, bacteria linked to gastritis and stomach ulcers. Why drink it at night? Your digestive system slows down while you sleep, and clove water helps keep things running smoothly, preventing gas, bloating, and discomfort by morning. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects for joint and muscle pain relief. Did you know that chronic inflammation is the root cause of many health issues, from joint pain to heart disease? Clove water is a natural anti-inflammatory, thanks to eugenol, which inhibits inflammatory enzymes. A study in the Journal of Immunology found that eugenol reduces inflammation by up to 55%, making it effective in relieving pain from arthritis, sore muscles, and general body aches. Why take it at night? Your body repairs itself while you sleep, and drinking clove water before bed supports this process, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and pain-free. 3. Slows aging and fights free radicals. Cloves are among the top 5 most antioxidant-rich spices, containing phenolic compounds, flavonoids, and vitamin C. Antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative stress, which accelerates aging and increases disease risk. A study published in Food Chemistry found that clove extracts have an ORAC, oxygen radical absorbance capacity, score of over 290,000, which is higher than blueberries, kale, or dark chocolate. Why take it at night? Your body undergoes deep cellular repair during sleep, and giving it a dose of antioxidants enhances this natural detox process. 4. Supports liver detoxification. Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, filtering out toxins, breaking down fats, and regulating metabolism. But with poor diet and environmental toxins, it can get overburdened. Clove water helps protect the liver by reducing oxidative damage and stimulating the production of detoxifying enzymes. Studies in hepatology research suggest that clove extract improves liver function by up to 40% in people with liver damage. Why drink it at night? Liver detoxification peaks between 1 to 3 a.m., making bedtime the perfect time to support its natural functions. 5. Regulates blood sugar and prevents insulin spikes. Struggling with blood sugar fluctuations, late-night cravings, or diabetes, clove water can stabilize glucose levels thanks to its active compounds, nigericin and eugenol, which improve insulin sensitivity. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that clove extract can lower blood sugar by 15 to 30% in diabetic patients. Why drink it at night? Your body's insulin response improves during sleep, and drinking clove water before bed can prevent morning blood sugar spikes. 6. Clears lungs and supports respiratory health. If you struggle with coughing, sinus congestion, or asthma, clove water might help. Clove contains flavonoids and eugenol, which have natural expectorant and anti-inflammatory properties that help clear mucus and reduce airway inflammation. Research in the Journal of Pulmonary Pharmacology found that clove extracts improved breathing function by 35% in people with respiratory issues. Why take it at night? Nighttime is when respiratory issues worsen, and clove water can help clear your airways while you sleep. 7. Strengthens bones and prevents osteoporosis. Cloves are packed with manganese, a mineral essential for bone density and strength. A study published in Bone Research found that manganese deficiency can lead to 50% weaker bones over time. Regular consumption of clove water has been linked to higher bone mineral density, making it a great natural remedy for preventing osteoporosis. Why drink it at night? Bone rebuilding happens mostly during deep sleep, so giving your body manganese before bed enhances this process. 8. Boosts heart health and lowers blood pressure. Clove water helps keep your heart healthy by reducing cholesterol, blood pressure, and oxidative stress. Research in the American Journal of Cardiology found that clove extract can lower LDL, bad cholesterol, by up to 20%. It also improves blood circulation, thanks to its ability to relax blood vessels and reduce arterial stiffness. Why drink it at night? Your blood pressure naturally fluctuates during sleep, and clove water can help maintain stable levels overnight. 9th, natural sleep aid. Reduces stress and anxiety. Struggling to fall asleep? Clove water might be the solution. Cloves contain eugenol and serotonin-boosting compounds that help calm the nervous system. Studies suggest that drinking clove water before bed can reduce anxiety by 30% and improve sleep quality. Why drink it at night? It naturally promotes relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. 10. Fights bacteria and supports oral health. Clove water is a natural antibacterial rinse, killing harmful bacteria in the mouth and reducing gum inflammation. Studies show that clove extracts are as effective as commercial mouthwashes in preventing plaque buildup and cavities. Why drink it at night? Bacteria multiply in your mouth while you sleep, and drinking clove water before bed helps maintain better oral hygiene overnight.
Side effects and warnings. While clove water offers numerous health benefits, excessive consumption can lead to potential side effects. It's essential to consume it in moderation and be aware of these possible risks, especially if you have underlying health conditions. 1. Blood thinning. Increased risk of bleeding cloves contain eugenol, a natural blood thinner that can interfere with clotting. While this may benefit heart health, excessive intake may increase the risk of bleeding and bruising, especially for those on blood-thinning medications like warfarin, aspirin, or heparin. Caution. Avoid drinking more than 2 cups of clove water daily, and consult your doctor if you're taking blood thinners or have a bleeding disorder. 2. Pregnancy caution. May induce uterine contractions. Clove consumption during pregnancy should be limited, as eugenol may stimulate uterine contractions, potentially leading to complications, especially in early pregnancy. Caution. If you're pregnant, consult your healthcare provider before consuming clove water regularly. 3. Surgery and medications. Slows blood clotting. Since cloves thin the blood, they can interfere with surgical procedures by increasing the risk of excessive bleeding. Additionally, they may interact with anesthesia and slow down recovery. Caution. If you have surgery scheduled, it's best to stop consuming clove water at least 2 weeks prior to your procedure. 4. Low blood sugar. Risk for diabetics. Cloves can lower blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for preventing diabetes, but can be dangerous for those already on blood sugar-lowering medications. Excessive intake may cause hypoglycemia, low blood sugar levels, leading to dizziness, weakness, or fainting. Caution. If you're diabetic, monitor your blood sugar levels closely and consult your doctor before consuming clove water regularly. 5. Liver damage. Toxicity from overconsumption. While cloves support liver detoxification in moderate amounts, excessive intake of eugenol can be toxic to the liver, leading to oxidative stress and potential liver damage. Studies suggest that high doses of eugenol can cause liver dysfunction, especially in people with existing liver conditions. Caution: if you have liver disease, limit your intake of cloves and speak with a doctor before adding clove water to your routine. 6. Allergic reactions. Skin and respiratory irritation. Some people may experience allergic reactions to cloves, which can cause symptoms like skin rashes, itching, swelling, difficulty breathing, or throat irritation.
From better digestion and stronger immunity to improved sleep and detoxification, clove water is a simple yet powerful remedy. Are you planning to try it? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.